Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to apply magnetic eyelashes. I am wearing magnetic eyelashes right now and I love them, you guys. They are so easy to apply once you get it down. These things are stuck to my eyelid. I am using a pair of reusable 3D eyelashes from Bellechloe. This is specifically from their Wake Up and Makeup brand. Bellechloe was kind enough to leave me a 10% discount code for you guys, so I will leave that in the description box below if you would like to try these magnetic eyelashes out. If you are new here, I upload Mondays and Fridays at 2, so don't forget to subscribe if you love makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So to begin, I'm going to show you the packaging right here. Very cute little box. This also comes with tweezers that help you apply the magnetic eyelashes, as well as an instruction manual that gives you 2 ways on how to apply them. There are a couple things I want to say before I show you how to put these eyelashes on, kind of as a warning and precaution. The instructions say not to alter the shape of the eyelashes, or you will ruin the magnetic pole in the eyelash strip. So I would strongly advise you not to trim these eyelashes, otherwise it could be harmful for you and you could ruin the eyelash strip. They have the dramatic lashes, the double demi wispies, the natural, and the sporty. All of these pictures are straight from their website. What's really nice about this case is that this right here is magnetic. So it will hold the eyelash in place no matter how you hold it. These top eyelashes contain 3 magnets. You have 2 on the outer edges and then you have 1 in the middle. And then all of these down here are what hold the eyelash in place. So here I am grabbing the right eyelash strip with my tweezers. And here I'm taking that top lash strip and getting it as close to my upper lash line as possible before I complete it with the other magnets. And now I'm taking that bottom right lash strip that is going to hold the top corner in place. And now I'm connecting that bottom strip to the top strip and the magnets click together and hold it in place. And now I'm going in with the middle lash and doing the same exact thing with the rest of the eyelash. So this is the side with the magnetic eyelashes and this is the side without the eyelashes. So you can see a huge difference, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put on this side as well. Just want to get one side on for you so that you could see the difference. So I'm going to hold it firmly right above my lash line, and then I'm going to take the bottom left. I'm going to pinch the outer corner where I want it, and the magnets are together. So next I'm going to move in with the next one, the middle. So now I'm going to push this side into my lash line and connect it with the magnet. Now we just have one left. So I'm going to push this in, and there you have it. And that is the eyelashes on and finished. Let me go ahead and zoom you in so you can see how they look. So this is what they look like. I'm looking in the viewfinder so you guys can see. So yes, this is what they look like. And that is how we put these eyelashes on. I will show you guys how to take them off as well. It's really simple and easy. All you do is grab the edge and pull them off. I really like that when I took the eyelash strips off, it did not take any of my eyelash hair with it. So I do love magnetic lashes because you don't have to use glue to apply them, but you do have to be careful with these magnets. You have to handle them gently and carefully because otherwise you will rip them off the lash. You just have to be gentle with them. I would suggest taking the time to practice putting these lashes on, especially if you're trying to use these for like a special occasion or something. Take 10 to 15 minutes, just sit down and practice applying them, because I had to practice before I was able to get these down, and I can put them on really fast now. I don't load the lash tweezer. That was a little bit more difficult for me. I just couldn't get it to work. If you get frustrated with these, just be patient. You will figure them out. It's definitely a different method. This is the first time I've ever used magnetic eyelashes, and I already love them. So I think I definitely will be having a balance now on my channel between magnetic eyelashes and my glue-on lashes. And these are not budging. They are stuck to my eyelid. I would recommend these to family and friends. They are very, very easy to work with once you figure out how to use them. Just be careful with the magnets, otherwise the magnets could come off. You just want to be careful and handle these very gently. So I love the packaging that they come in. The little glitter background and the mirror is very helpful if you're on the go and you're a traveling girl. The tweezers are really nice and nifty. I personally chose not to apply the lashes by loading the tweezer. You can do this, but I just felt like it was a little bit more difficult that way. It just wasn't working out for me, so I like putting them on using my hands. It was quick and easy for me. So yeah, remember I have the coupon code in the description box below for you guys if you would like to try these out and save a little bit of money. And thank you, Bellechloe, for providing these lashes for me to try out for my subscribers. I enjoyed these. I could see how they could be frustrating for some people if you have never tried doing these before. I personally love them. They're not going anywhere, and I don't have any glue on my eyelids. Sometimes when I use glue on my lashes, I end up pulling out my actual lash hair. So I've actually been really excited about trying these out because I want to get away from lash glue. I would like to look into more styles that they have. I do like this style in dramatic. It is definitely something that I love wearing. So if you want to give magnetic eyelashes a go, I would give the thumbs up, try it out. I think that about wraps everything up, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.